let us to introduce ourselves first. My name is Jamil Dasari. We name 15.
My name is Maswari Fatul Amila with name 24.
My name is Junita Maharani, name 47.
My name is Ismita Salawatmani Hadiningrat, name 16.
Today, I'm going to present a review of an article entitled An Analysis of the Implicature of Form and Function in the Film Ajari Aku Islam. And then the article was written by Nelly Haryanto, Nurfitri Susanti, Anggi Triadana, and Sahrizal Pahlavi. So, it was published in Titan Journal in Ilmu Humaniora, Jambi University, Volume 5, Number 2, in December 2021. So, this article discusses about implicature, right? And which is the implied meaning behind what people say. And then the researchers explain that many conversations have hidden meaning that can be only understood through context. So they choose the film Ajari Aku Islam because it contains many examples of implication. And then the film was popular and no previous study had analyzed implication in this film. So the purpose of the study was to identify the forms and function of implicature used by the character. So, in my opinion, the background of this article is clear and interesting. So, the author explained why implicature is important in communication and provide a good reason for choosing the film. So, this makes the purpose of the research easy to understand from the beginning. Yes, and then however, I think the background could be stronger if the author explained more clearly why this study is important for language learning or pragmatic search today.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Junita Maharani, name 47. So here I would like to explain about the summary of the article and analysis of the implicature of form and the function in the film Ajari Aku Islam by Haryanto et al. 2021. So from this article, we got some investigates the forms and the function of implicator found in conversation among the characters in the film Ajari Aku Islam. Using a descriptive qualitative approach, the researchers analyzed the utterance based on Gray's theory of implicature. The finding reveal two types of implicature. The first is conventional implicature and the second is conversational implicature. The study shows that conversational implicature is more dominant and is generated through violation of Gray's cooperative principle, including the maxim of quantity, quality, relation, and manner. So from there, the researchers identified several functions of implicature. The first is directive, and then the second is assertive, and then expressive, and then the fourth is commissive, and the last is declarative speech acts. This finding demonstrates that implied meaning in the conversation are highly independent on context and cannot always be interpreted from literal meaning of the utterance alone. This article is closely related to our material when presentation yesterday because both study focused on conversational implicature within the field of pragmatic and employ Gray's cooperative principle as the main theoretical framework for analyzing implied meanings. But studies emphasize that conversational implicature arise when speakers intentionally violate one or more Gray's conversational maxims, requiring listeners to infer the intended meaning from the context. However, the two studies differ in their research object and focus. This article analyzes conversation from film Ajari Aku Islam and examines both the form and function of implicator. Whereas my material yesterday is focused specifically on conversational implicator in a different conversational context. Therefore, this article serves as an important resource for understanding the concepts of conversational implicator, the application of Chris maxim in data analysis, and the role of contextual interpretation in identifying implicit meanings. In my opinion, this article is generally easy to understand because it explains the concept of implicator in a clear and systematic way. The author presents the theoretical background before discussing the research finding, making it easier for readers to follow the analysis. Moreover, the examples taken from the film help illustrate how conversational implicator is identified through violation of Chris maxim. However, the article also has some limitation. Although the author concludes that conversational implicator is more dominant than conventional implicator, they don't provide detailed quantitative evidence, such as the frequency of each type of implicator or its maxim violation to support this claim. As a result, the conclusion appears less convincing because readers cannot clearly verify how the dominance was determined. In addition, some of the explanation of implicator rely heavily on the researcher's interpretation, with limited discussion of alternative interpretation that might arise from different contexts. Despite this limitation, the article remains a useful reference for understanding the application of Chris' theory of implicator, particularly conversational implicator in pragmatic analysis.
Hello everyone, I'm Istifa Chanwar Manhajinat, and now I want to explain to you the strength, weakness, and my opinion about the article and analysis of implicator forms and function in the film Ajari Aku Islam. So firstly, I want to explain to you the strengths of this article. This article is clear. There are critical theoretical framework like from Chris, Shirley, and Levinson. Second, this article combines both the forms and functions of implicator. The third, this article structures follow standard scientific format such as there is introduction, method, results, and discussion. And the last, this article uses authentic data from a film. Okay, now I wanna explain to you the weakness of this article. The first is there is no table showing the number of data in each category. Second, some data context like manner maxim lacks depth. The third, references dominated by other sources, like the example 2011. And the last, English grammar in several sentences is somewhat unnatural. Okay everyone, so there are the strengths and the weakness of this article. So now I want to explain to you my opinion about this article. In my opinion, this article successfully shows that pragmatic implication helps explain implied meanings in film conversation, supporting Chris' theory that meaning depends on context rather than literal words. However, the analysis focuses more on identifying maxim violations than explaining how listeners infer the intended meaning. In addition, the discussion of social and cultural context is still limited, even though these aspects are important in pragmatic analysis. Therefore, future research should provide a deeper explanation of the inferences process and the role of context in understanding implication. Okay, that's all from me.
After we know about the identity of this article, background, summary content, strength and weaknesses, I will continue with the contribute this article for pragmatic studies and suggestion for this article and also my opinion. So contribute to pragmatic pragmatic studies on implication in audiovisual media, which is less studied compared to novel or written discourse, can serve as a reference for future research of implication in other Indonesian film. And the suggestion for this article is several improvements can be made to strengthen the article. First, the data validity procedure should be explained in greater detail, such as by describing the use of triangulation or expert judgment to enhance the credibility of the findings. Second, the result section could be presented more systematically by including a summary table for each category of implicator, making the findings easier to understand and compare. And finally, the theoretical framework on implicature should be updated by incorporating references published within the last 5 years to ensure that the discussion reflects recent development in pragmatic studies. And then, in my opinion, this article is quite good because the discussion is in line with the title, focusing on the forms and function of implicator in the film Ajari Aku Islam. The writer also explained cries for vaccines clearly, making the analysis easy to understand. However, the article still has some weaknesses such as limited data and less detailed analysis. Overall, I think this article is useful as a basic reference for understanding implication in pragmatics.
Okay, that's all from our